think the girls with their nails done now.
Hello friends, let's get started with our video on how to use Python on Android. So firstly, open Google Play Store and search Pydroid. Click on Pydroid 3 and then install it. While it's getting installed, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any video. Once the app is installed, open it and let the files also get installed. On left side there are many options like interpreter, terminal, PIP. We will be covering all this in our upcoming video, so stay tuned. Now we are writing a simple code to verify that is it really working or not. As you can see, we got the output as hello viewers, so this is really working. Thank you for watching our video.